Hello, this is Melanie Engel, broker owner of Flamingo Beach Realty, the premier luxury real estate company here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, we're at a brand new condo. They're almost finished. They're called the Diria La Vista. Check them out. They are so beautiful. They're modern. They've got walls of glass with these most incredible views. They've got multiple pools. They have a gym. And best of all, they're super close to Playa Tamarindo. Tamarindo is an amazing town with all the nightlife, great restaurants, wonderful surf, best spot for running, best spot to watch the sunset. I can't wait to show you this beautiful property tour today. So this La Vista condo is type 1. There's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, almost 2,000 square feet. This is the model unit to show you just how beautiful they are. The kitchens are so modern. There's lots of natural light. I love how they've combined the white and the gray. This is so beautiful. I love how they're so spacious and bright here. You've got a beautiful kitchen. Right here you've got your living room. You can dine outside or you can also set an outdoor living room. We're here on the model unit on the 2nd floor. The higher you go up, the better the view. But even on the 2nd view, you can see the boats in the bay in Tamarindo, you can see Langosta, and you can see all the way to Playa Grande. The principal suites are super spacious. This is a king-size bed. As you can see, there's lots of room, even if you wanted to add an office desk in here. I love how they've chosen to put wallpaper on. You've got windows on both sides. In fact, one of the windows takes you out to your balcony, a walk-in closet, and an amazing bathroom as well. When you enter the front door, you're greeted with this massive open area with incredible views. But just before you get there, you pass a laundry room with lots of storage. You've got a half bathroom, a welcome area, and you've got 2 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. The guest bedrooms could fit a king bed, but here they're comfortable with a queen. There's a desk area as well, and the ensuite bathroom. I have clients that have bought here to live, and I have other clients that have bought here to rent. This is the perfect spot for both. Here we are in the Diria 605. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,452 square feet. I cannot wait to show you this awesome view. Check it out. I would probably use words like epic, ridiculous, off the chain. You walk in and all you see is ocean and boats and the waves. It's so awesome. This kitchen is modern, it's beautiful, it comes with all the appliances. All you have to do is put your personal touches with furniture. It's $679,000. also includes this third pool where you've got this nice landscaping area and these amazing views as well. Right behind me are the brand new Vistas Diria condos. There's one penthouse left, 2.6 million, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, over 3,600 square feet of luxury with its own pool. And there's also 2 and 3 bedroom condos available. From here on the 6th floor, you can see what they call La Vista. Check out this incredible view. I do not think I can think of a better view in Tamarindo and Langosta that look like this. Langosta, Tamarindo, Playa Grande, the estuary, it's absolutely magical. The condos range from 600 to 900,000, and there's also 2 floors above us that have the penthouses. This is an incredible spot, and I know you want to be here. If you want to learn more about this property, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.